welcome back to our channel. My name is Alicia, and as you know, I do vlogs on travel, food and accommodation related. So for today's video, I thought I'd probably show you as to what is the update currently at Fort Aguada, as I've been getting a lot of requests from our subscribers asking me to show you around as to what does it look like at this point in time. So I thought I'd make a video. So let's go and I'll show you what it looks like. So on the way to the fort, you get this nice place here. It's backwaters, and this is the road that you should actually be taking. So let's go on top and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the road that actually goes to the Aguada Jail, and we've just stopped here to show you guys the view. Wow, check this out. The jail is right there, so I'll be taking you in a bit. But in the meanwhile, this place is so gorgeous. So much of a greenery right around, and this view is simply breathtaking. You can see the entire ocean. So we're currently at the Aguada Jail, and this is the parking area. So they do have a beach area down as well that you can actually go to the beach. So they have some stairs there. I'm really not sure if it is open to the tourists, but let's go and check it out. So you have your two-wheeler parking as well as your four-wheeler parking. This place is so beautiful. This place actually has so much of a history to it. Wow, check out this tree. So this is the entrance, but I think currently it is being renovated and it's not open to public at this point in time. However, in the meanwhile, you can probably go down and enjoy the beach. Unfortunately, at this point in time, the Aguada Jail is closed to tourists. So I'll take you to the fort. That is closed as well, but there's nothing much to be disappointed about, because at this point in time, I think we just need to cooperate. But however, there is a fantastic view which is behind, the fort. So I'll be taking you there, and I hope that you'll enjoy this too. So let's go. So this is the main entrance of Fort Aguada, and as you can see, it is closed at this point in time. And on the right side is your parking for your four-wheelers, and your two-wheelers can be parked ahead. And as you can see in the distance, there are a lot of people. In fact, I would say close to around maybe 100 people. However, since the fort is closed, there is a beautiful viewpoint that you can actually go to, which is ahead, which is about 10 minutes trek from here. So I'll take you there and I'll show you what it's like. So you take this straight road that leads you to this dead end. There's a huge banyan tree here, and then you take this right from here. So make sure that you are wearing comfortable shoes, otherwise this could be a little hard. So let me just go ahead and quickly show you. Wow, check out this greenery here. It is so amazing, so beautifully green. And by the way, the weather update for all of you is that it's been raining on and off. I mean, it's not continuously, but you know, there are rains. There's quite significant amount of rains that we're getting to see. Wow, this is so beautiful. And if at all you find my voice a little muffled, is because I am wearing my mask. So apologies for that. This is so gorgeous. And at this point in time, the tourists are quite a lot. And if at all, you know, you don't have much of movement here, you get to see a lot of peacocks in this woods. Wow. By the way, if you're coming by four-wheeler, then you do have parking here, and it is 100 rupees is the parking for your four-wheeler. And I think, if I'm not wrong, it is around 50 rupees for your two-wheeler. I'm not too sure about that. But if you've been here and you know what's the fee like, please comment that below so that it would help others as well watching this video. Wow. This is so gorgeous. You have quite a good number of tourists actually here. And for those of you who want to know what is the update with regards to, do you need a COVID test, or, you know, including whether you've completed 2 doses of your vaccination, do you still need a test? So all that information is given in this video, and I'll link it in the description as well. Wow. So we're almost there, and I'm sorry if you can actually hear me panting because I am walking quite fast. So wow, check this out. How gorgeous is this? So the fort is closed, but you can actually come here for this view. So you can actually walk this side as well. Wow, check out this view here. So gorgeous. Wow. I am sure you wouldn't regret doing this if you come here. Even if the fort is open, I would highly recommend that you come here. Because when the fort was actually open, nobody even used to, you know, come this side. But this view is just so gorgeous. Totally in love with this place. And I'm not sure if you can actually hear the peacocks in the distance. It's quite crowded actually. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video for you. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so that you get notified as and when I keep posting new videos, because I come up with videos almost on a daily basis giving you complete information and guidance about, you know, Goa, tourism, updates and places that you should visit. I also do a lot of vlogs on accommodation options. So do go check them out, and I will link all of them on, you know, to the description box below. And I hope that you subscribe and you enjoy binge watching all of my videos. So see you until then. Bye for now.